Around 2 years ago, DJI came up with a DJI Avata. It wasn't the greatest drone, so that's why I really didn't buy it. The front of the drone dips every time you do an aggressive move, which isn't really ideal. So, DJI came up with the DJI Avata 2, which is... What? This drone gives you 4K 60 footage and D-Log-M. D-Log-M, guys. There was this new update in the Avata 2 where it can be connected to the DJI Goggles Integra and the DJI Motion Controller too. So basically, I do not have to buy the DJI Goggles 3 combo. Now I'm gonna use the RC Motion 2 and the Goggles Integra on the DJI Avata 2. Yo, this is so fast. Let's try the easy Acro feature. Start recording. All right, 180 drift, here we go. We're just gonna cruise on like this. Let's see how this does. Yo, that's amazing. Let's try the flip feature. So I'm just going forward and what? Yo, what? And then we can like, oh my days, you're kidding. No damage at all. Let's reset the aircraft and let's do some flights on the RC controller too. First thing we're gonna do in this channel is we dive. Holy moles. What's my hover right now, guys? I don't know how much throttle input I'm giving, but it's pretty low, man. So let's go behind these buildings. This is where I always lose my DJI FPV. Okay, I'm getting full signal, pretty much. Let's do a dive. Yep. I'm starting to lose connection now. I'm risking everything now. Okay, let's do a little flip. And we're gonna keep on diving. Into the street we go. Yo, this is so smooth. I'm gonna get someone that does not know how to fly any drone in the world. So my friend here does not know. He just knew about drones like, what, a week ago? How do you feel about this thing? Are you excited?
It's small.
He's going to first try it with the motion combo. Are you confident?
Yes, I guess it can't be that hard, right?
Now strap this. What you're going to do is just double tap, push this one upward. Why are you flying downward? Hold the red button.
This one?
On top. Yep, hold it.
Yo!
There's this easy acro mode. So what is this easy acro mode? You're gonna fly forward, right?
Yeah.
And then what you're going to do is press, like, do this one to the direction you want to flip. So 3, 2, 1.
Yo!
And you can try the flip function. Now select the flip function. Yep. And then...
Can I do it now?
Yep.
Yo!
Look at that. This area is like really clear, so I'm gonna try and fly manual. Switch to manual mode.
Here we go. Yo!
Oh, you try.
Okay.
Coming down. How easy did you find this?
So easy.
The great thing about the Avata 2 is that It's super easy to color grade now, especially with the brand new D-Log M feature. So if I don't really want to color grade after filming, I can just use the DJI Rec 709 LUT instead of like color grading. But if I do color grade, D-Log M definitely helps with my color grading, and it makes it so much easier. I have a lot more options in what I can color grade the footage too. One thing about the Avata 2 that I really want DJI to improve is the resolutions and frames per second. I've always talked about this with other drones. I really do want a 4K 24 feature in this drone. I really want a frame rate that's dividable by 8. Right now we're in windy conditions. What we're going to do is see how the Avata 2 can handle wind. It is Typhoon number 8. This has what? Level 5 wind resistance? Whoa! This is mad. It's really impressive. I'm really impressed by the EIS. If you guys don't know, EIS is electronic image stabilization. If you have the Goggles 3, there are features with the EIS where you can have this horizon steady thing. But overall, I feel like the Avata 2 is just one of the best Cinewhoops I've ever flown to date. So the DJI Neo just came out just what, like 12 hours ago? And for that video, which is gonna come up in around 2 weeks, I'll be going over to DJI and they're gonna just show me the features of the DJI Neo. Really excited about that. Fun fact, what you're looking at right now is being filmed by the Air 3. What? Right? DJI stuff is great on land and in the air. I'm gonna release a video of the footage that I got with this. If you're looking to get the Avata 2, click the link in the description below. That's my affiliate link. It will give me a small kickback and will support this channel a lot, and I really appreciate it. This is the DJI Avata 2 and it's better in every single way.